Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll have a unboxing, which I have not done in about a year. We have two United Express 550s. We have one United E175, one United A319, one FedEx MD-11F, one Hawaiian A321neo, two Southwest 737-700s, Hawaiian A330, Qantas 787, and ANA 780, or A330 is what I meant to say. We will start off with the two United Expresses, and then we'll just go along from there. Here we have the two United Expresses. Gorgeous model if you haven't gotten it already, which I'm sure you have. A lot of people did, as it was a great release, and finally they released some United and Southwest. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I hate this camera so much. I swear I'm gonna chuck it out in the freaking snow. Starting off at the front, we have the cockpit windows and the Star Alliance logo and the main boarding door, and then the United Express logo with the cargo door down below. Then we have those nice blue winglets and the nice blue engines with the blue tail. The registration is N504 Geminijets, I guess you could say. Then we have the American flag and the very nice engines and the tinted tail. And there's the second one. We'll get these out of the way and move to United E175. You have the cockpit windows up front, again with the Star Alliance logo, and then the main boarding door with the United Express logo, and the blue engines and the winglets. Those are something that we should be talking about. There is the wings are a bit too high. I would agree with that, but the winglets are gorgeous. I love how they go out, and the blue really adds to the texture, I guess you could say. Then if we go over to the registration, N60SUX with the American flag, and then the back of the back door you don't board with, but then there's the beautiful tail. Once again, that's on all of their models. Then we have the United Airbus A319. If I wanted to, I would have bought, if I could have, I would have bought like 50 of these models. They are so good. Look at that. So starting off at the front, we have the, whoa, too far again. Hold on, gotta zoom out. I think it's because the lighting kind of screwing it up, but we have the cockpit windows with the main boarding door and the landing gear, and then the antenna on top here. Let me use this. And then we have the door right there with the United logo and the very cool blue engines. You could barely see the winglets as they're the little shark ones, but the engines are done very nicely. And we have the overwing exit and all the other windows, leaving us to the registration, which is N87UA. You have your antenna, Wi-Fi box, other antenna, and then the nice blue tail that comes on all of their models. Another gorgeous model by Geminijets, if you can get it. Highly recommend it. We'll put that one over there. And get to the Southwest Louisiana one. This one has a lot of detail, as most of the Southwest liveries do. The cockpit windows, and then we have the boarding door with the blue stars and the white around the sides. The antenna with the blue and red engines. And then the winglets are just plain gray, as you cannot see because I zoomed in too far. Then you have the rest of the red belly and top of the plane. Then you have, I really like their tail on their new liveries. It's very intricate. Southwest with the red and blue. I really like that. Or yellow and blue, sorry. Red, yellow, blue. With the Southwest livery on the back. I really do like the new livery. And if you can get your hands on this one, I would recommend it. But you can also get the Colorado one, but that is... Oh no, I lost a tire. Well, that's not good. And I'll get to that later, I guess, but I lost a tire. I hate it when that happens. But this is obviously my favorite model as it represents my state. We have the it says Colorado at the very front. And then you have the big, like our state flag, the big C with the yellow in the middle. Then you have the windows and the blue and white engines with the blue on the top. And the overwing exits with the nice flaps, rudders, all that jazz that's on the wing. I don't even know all of it. But as I said, this is an old livery. So yeah, super nice model if you can get your hands on it also. As well as the Louisiana one. And then we'll get to this Hawaiian Airbus A321neo. Again, we have the cockpit. Oh boy, I hate it when this happens. Like, I might not even post this video. I don't know. But here we have the cockpit windows with the American flag right there. Then the main boarding door with the antenna, and then the Hawaiian in all purple letters. And then if we go back a little further, you see the other door with the beautiful lei. I really like that part of their new livery. It's really a special feature and describes what state they're from, Hawaii. The beautiful sharklets with a little bit of lei on it, silver lei. Then we get back to the tail part, and you have a lady with a flower in her hair with the dark purple tint and the beautiful purple flowers. And then from this Hawaiian, we'll go on to the next Hawaiian. The Airbus A330-200. Yeah, 200. This is the exact same livery as the one I just showed you. We have the cockpit windows. I'm sorry about that. Cockpit windows, and then it says something right there. I can't read it though. But then we have the first door that they board with, and the second one about 12 windows back. And then the lei with the beautiful white engines. Very long wingspan. The engines also have the winglets, I guess you could say, also have the lei on it, as you can see. And if we go further back, there's more of the purple tail. My camera is about to die, so that is not good, but we should be able to get done here. This was a giveaway by MileHigh Aviation that I won, so shout out to him on YouTube and Instagram. Here we have the cockpit windows, the boarding door, the 100-year-strong Qantas. We go further back, there's the red swoop stripe thing, and then I think that's all their partners, or it says Qantas. Oh, I think that's all the liveries they've had, or the tails. And then the gorgeous Dreamliner swoop with the wings, and then the beautiful red tail. The next plane we have, let me put this way over there, the FedEx MD-11F. Along with this model, I also got the ANA for Honolulu. I like to call it that, but it's obviously Honolulu. But starting off this part, we have the beautiful cockpit and then the big FedEx letters. As you can see, the front wheel is a quite big distance from the front of the plane. Then we go back and we see a boarding door, or not boarding door, cargo door with the FedEx Express, and then the FedEx on the engine as well, with some windows, but not a lot. Then the beautiful winglets. I really like how the MD-11 winglets are. Then the beautiful tri-engine, that's the one in the back. I I do like this tint. It does look more like a blue than a purple. To me, anyway. I mean, I could tell it's purple, but it's not. I don't know. I think it's a really good mold, though, and I highly recommend it to you guys. We'll be getting on to the main contraction now. This will be the A&A Airbus A380. This is for Honolulu, as I said. I got this model from Fly KIAD on Instagram. Go follow him. Obviously, I paid for it, but yeah. So this one's going to take a while to go over. We have the cockpit windows with the eye and the big smile. It's like a giant sea turtle, as you can see. And then the beautiful sea turtles, as you can see all throughout there. Then the Japanese flag is on the tail, along with the winglets that say A and A on it. Yep, that's as far as I can zoom in. Then the beautiful sea turtles just keep going all the way down the airplane. A&A inspiration of Japan, and then the big A&A tail. Very gorgeous model. The box was the biggest box I've ever had. It's like so intricate. It's by JC Wings. All the other models are Geminijets though. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I'm sorry that it was not really that detailed because, you know, the lighting's being weird. But I will be getting more videos out this Friday and next Wednesday. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. If you did enjoy it though, please hit that big red subscribe button and like the video. Peace out.